This is North Vancouver's beautifully master planned community, Seylynn Village in North Vancouver. We've got a unique proposition here, 2 bedrooms plus a den and 2 levels. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Let's go take a look inside.
Here we go. All we need is an open road.
This is the patio at unit 608. It is unique because it's a 2-level story within a concrete building. It's just like a townhome in the sky. You've got your main living and then a reverse floor plan with 2 bedrooms and a den. My favorite part is this patio where you're overlooking the west. You've got Seylynn Park, Lynn Creek, and the beautiful new community center behind me. You have all the modern refinements you expect in a newer condo here in Seylynn Village at Unit 608 in Compass. You've also got this incredible facility here called the Denna Club, where you've got your own pool, spa, fitness center, party room, the list goes on.
Discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.